Say hi, Daddy. Say hi. Say I miss you. Why are you being shy? Oh. Hey, Daddy, listen to my cough. I don't feel good. You're not saying nothing. There you go. What else you want to tell Daddy? Anything else? Okay. Okay, say I love you. Miss you. Uh-oh. Listen to that snort. Listen to that Piglet snort. Oh, you hear all that snot and that cough. Okay, time to go. Bye-byes. Bye-bye, Daddy. Bye-bye, Daddy. Bye-bye. Yeah. Yeah.